Hi everyone and welcome to the Mushroom Den. So today I want to bring you the recipe for my super loaded green bean casserole. This one has a super creamy cheese sauce, vegan parmesan and bacon, so definitely not boring, nothing short of delicious and quite easy to make. So to begin we need to boil some water. Into my water I'm adding some salt. Then we can add our green beans that are already rinsed. Just make sure the green beans is submerged by the water. Let them boil for about 6 minutes. Then add them to some ice water to stop the cooking process. Next, on the skillet on medium heat, add some vegan butter. Once the butter is melted, add some flour. Then use a whisk to incorporate the butter and the flour. Then go ahead and start adding your vegetable broth a little bit at a time as you're whisking. This is a very important step as it will help getting rid of any lump formed with the flour. Next we can go ahead and add the coconut milk. Let that melt completely. Followed by the seasoning, started with some salt, pepper, garlic powder, onion powder, some smoked paprika, and nutritional yeast. Whisk to incorporate all the seasoning. The sauce has reduced quite a lot, so I'm adding more broth and a mixture of cornstarch and the vegetable broth to keep the sauce creamy. Reduce the heat to low and let it simmer for another minute or so, and that's it. Now let's assemble everything. Add your green beans to a baking dish. Make sure they're well distributed. Next, pour in the cheese sauce. And make sure the green beans are completely soaked in the sauce. Pop this in the oven at 350 for 20 minutes. Once it's out, we can go ahead and add the toppings, starting with my homemade vegan parmesan cheese, some gluten-free breadcrumbs, fried onions, and my homemade bacon bits. I'll put the link for the recipe down below. You can be as generous as you want with your topping. Next, pop this in the oven for another 5 minutes and our green beans casserole is ready. It smells incredibly cheesy. So I decided to top it off with some fresh parsley. Now the best part is tasting. Let's make sure we get the onion and bacon. It's so good, guys. It's rich. The green beans are soft but not overcooked. The onion and bacon give you that crunch. The breadcrumbs definitely give more texture. And like I said earlier, the cheese sauce definitely tastes like a cheese sauce. Alright guys, that's another side dish that you can add to your holiday table. I hope you liked the video. If you happen to recreate it, don't forget to tag me on Instagram or let me know in the comment box below. As always, all the ingredients and instructions will be listed in the description box below the video. Thank you so much for watching, and until the next video, have a blessed one.